In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on your Windows 10 desktop, whether your screen feels a little too close for comfort, or perhaps you just need to gain a better view of a project you're working on. These simple methods will help you achieve the perfect zoom level. Let's start with a keyboard shortcut, an efficient way to zoom out using a set of keys. First, you want to press and hold the Control key on your keyboard. This key is usually found at the bottom left corner of your keyboard. Once you've got that key held down, press the minus sign, also known as the dash, which is located at the top right of most keyboards, usually next to the number 0. As you press the minus key, you'll notice that your screen begins to zoom out. Each press will take you a little further out, giving you a progressively wider view of your desktop. It's important to note the efficiency of this method, especially when you're working on a tight schedule or simply prefer not to lift your hand off the keyboard. Now let's explore another handy method using a mouse with a scroll wheel, which might feel more intuitive, especially if you're more mouse inclined. Similar to what we did with the keyboard, first press and hold the Control key. With the Control key held down, direct your attention to your mouse and begin scrolling the wheel downwards. As you do this, keep an eye on your screen. Scrolling further will continue to zoom out, providing a fluid and smooth zoom experience. This can be incredibly helpful if you're looking to adjust the zoom level gradually, rather than in incremental steps with the keyboard. These two methods are simple and can be used interchangeably depending on your preference at any given time. If you're someone who often switches between different tasks or works with diverse software, it's excellent to know both methods. This way you can adapt based on what feels more convenient for your current activity. Remember, mastering these zoom functions can really enrich your computer experience by enhancing viewability and comfort, especially during long hours of work. They offer quick solutions without the need to dive into settings each time you need to adjust your view. Use these options to maintain a productive workflow and a comfortable desktop environment tailored to suit your visual needs. And there you have it, two simple and effective ways to zoom out on a Windows 10 desktop. Whether you choose the speed of the keyboard shortcuts or the smooth adjustment with a mouse scroll wheel, you'll find that managing your desktop view is both efficient and straightforward. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful and easy to follow.